In this video, we're going to fix an upside down clip, which means rotating a video that appears inverted so it plays the right way up. This usually happens because of camera orientation or recording issues, but the fix is very simple. First, make sure you have the upside down clip placed on the timeline and select the clip. Now go to the effects panel. At the top of the effects panel, you'll see a search box. Click inside the search box and type flip. From the results, you'll see an effect called vertical flip. Simply drag and drop the vertical flip effect onto your clip on the timeline. The moment you apply it, the clip will rotate correctly and no longer be upside down. There are no extra settings needed. If you ever want to remove the effect, you can simply delete it from the clip, and that's it. You now know how to fix upside down clips using the vertical flip effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.